Hello, everybody. This is the last week of online learning, and I'm sure you are all excited. The official last day is Friday the 15th, and that morning at 10 o'clock, we will be having a class movie. We'll be watching Winn-Dixie, the story they've been reading for the last 2 weeks. I'm going to have it on my computer and I'm going to stream it to them. I had a couple kids help me practice last week and it worked. Work this week, we just have reading, working on Winn-Dixie, math, doing times 10 multiples, and writing, finishing their memory book. I also posted Spirit Week things on Google Classroom for the kids to dress up each day if they want to. They were ideas from our student council. And then also I put a Flipgrid on there if they wanted to show other kids their costumes. And NWA testing is this week. I will post this information each time on the Google Classroom stream. And it'll look like this. The session name, Math Spring 2020. The session password usually is a number. You'll just click on this link right here, and your window will pop up. It asks for the session name, the session password. The kids can move this window up and down if they, maybe forget what it is, or go ahead and just write it down also. Like it says Math Spring 2020, capital M, capital S, no spaces. They have to write it just like that. When they do log in, then it will tell them, like, are you really John Westoff? Yes. Are you really in 3rd grade at T Area Legacy? Yes. Are you taking the reading test today? Yes. And then there will be a sign that says waiting for your teacher or waiting for your proctor. And then that will show up on my screen and I will approve them for their test. Like I said in my email last week, I would prefer to just do 20 questions at a time, but if that's not something that you can do, I totally understand, and if your kid wants to get done in one session, that's all right. We'll still have our regular Google Meets, 10:30 on Tuesday. We have perfect attendance to announce. Wednesday night, we'll do one more night of trivia, and Thursday at 10:30, we will do our last day of bingo. So, and then on Friday, 10 o'clock Google Meet, and I'll have the movie showing for them. For one last thing for NWA testing, it says from 1:30 to 3:30. If you can't join until 2:30, that's totally fine. I'll have the link up from 8:30 until 10:30. Let's say your student is testing at 10:30. I'll probably turn the link up at 10:35 or right at 10:30. It'll stop them on number 18, and then when they log in the next time, it'll be at number 18 again. So it picks up right where they left off. So once again, thank you everybody for all of your help and all of your work during this crazy time, and I look forward to working with you again this week. Thank you.